So welcome to second day session of Essential Skills Training Program and Application Development with AI. Hope everyone enjoyed yesterday. But we didn't discuss much things on yesterday. And today we have the complete things. Yes, very good evening to everyone. Very good evening, Sujata and Rensh, Indu, Jyoti, Suresh, Sanjay, Dr. Sanjay Garu, sorry, Manali, everyone. Very good evening. Very good evening. So great to hear all the wishes, and we'll dive into the session without getting in late because yesterday also we didn't have much time because of the inauguration, and we just learned about things only. Okay, now we are going to be discussing. Could you please just a moment? Somebody is asking some notes. Share LMS portal link. Ramesh, we already shared, no? I was given that LMS portal how you can access that video from our Instagram. Okay, in that, there you can get it. If possible, you can follow that Instagram that you can get regular updates for this about this ESTP and all the things also. Anyway, I'll share you again. Don't worry. Recorded video not shared. No, that was shared into the LMS already. Just check in that. Okay, we'll do one thing. End of the session, I'll guide you how you can access the LMS portal and how you can open that. Okay, those things I can guide you in the end of the session. Okay, please wait for some time, everyone. First, we'll complete the session. Okay, just wait for me. Wait with me. Okay, thank you. So we'll start the session right now. So, can anyone remind me the topics that what we discussed in the yesterday sessions? Can you please give me the chart box that I can remember? And yeah, Brainovision, very good. Chrome extensions, browser extensions, great. Great, Shrimon and Anirudh Patil and Parth, Sri Lakshman, Hemant about Google, great. Ravi Kiran, unable to hear clearly. Is it Ravi Kiran? Guys, is it for everyone? Am I audible properly or not for you? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, great. Thank you so much, Anu. Thank you. So, very good. Digital literacy, very good. About Google are great. Unable to, okay, that's fine. Advanced Google search, great. Browser, Gmail tracker, good. Lingayas. And Anjali Gaur extension is good. Smart teaching, smart searching, Vasant, very good. Sanjay Kumar Garu, Chrome extensions, Tharun Mole, browsing skills. Yes. Today also we are having much browsing skills and how you can efficiently using that. The remaining things we can discuss right now. Chrome web service, web.achu.org. Great, Anirudh Garu. Wayback Mission, Gmail tracker. Great. Everybody, good, very good. Let's start with today's session. Advanced tools in Chrome. Great. So now the topics are welcome to second day session of Essential Skills Training Program and Application Development with AI. So this is the one. Vivek, please stop your annotation, Anna. Don't do any annotations on the screen. Okay. Hope everyone is from the students and faculty, and everyone will behave decently. Nice. Thank you so much. I will stop the annotations also. Great. So here we discussed that yesterday sessions, like what we discussed yesterday. I'm just recapping that, Nana. So if you have any doubts, just look into that. And if you have any doubts, also you can ask us. So how we can search advancedly by filtering with the search, okay, file type and etc. Those we discussed right yesterday. And also Wayback Mission we discussed. Okay, but now the today we are going to be discuss about that Google search operations, find related sites. How we can search related sites. Discover websites similar to ones you already know and trust. Okay, how you can search that related sites for already like that you are using right now. Okay. So enter quicker type. You can write this now. So these steps I was designed for you personally. So you can write this, or else if you have any like Google like digital notes, you can just take the screenshot also. Okay. So enter query, like this query that we have to enter related colon bbc colon dot com in Google search, and Google shows sites similar to BBC. Okay. Like example, related colon bbc.com. So I'm going to be show you that how you can see that. So here we need to enter. Okay. So here we need to enter related.bbc.com. Example, bbc.com is one of the site like where we can see the site. Okay. Okay. Either my screen is shared, Nana? Not shared. Just a moment. Yes. Hope my screen was changed right now for everyone. Yes. Great. So related colon bbc.com. Example, I'm searching for the bbc.com and I need related sites of BBC. You can able to see this. BBC Wikipedia, BBC News, BBC News, BBC News. So many BBC things will be coming, and I'm searching for Brainovision.in. Brainovision.in. I'm searching for related colon Brainovision.in. So now all the sites related to the Brainovision will come into this picture. If you search normally like Brainovision, maybe this is the browser where we are using daily. So maybe only Brainovision things will become. But if you want exact output like which we are seeing right now, so you can able to see that by searching like this. Okay, Brainovision.in. So not only this, the website, whatever that it is, like you can search for here, you can search here by entering that related colon Brainovision.in or so on. So like example, other sites, amazon.com. Okay. You can able to see Shopify, 10 Amazon competitors. Okay, Amazon.com competitors, Amazon company, Amazon marketplace, all the related to the Amazon will be comes here directly. Where it will be useful, yes, this is the optimized site already. Optimized in the sense lakhs of people are using the Amazon, so maybe it will come in the result automatically. But some sites, maybe today you just opened a company, maybe you got a recent company address, like latest companies, recent startups, their names are not popular in the Google. So if you want those guys related all the sites instantly, you can use like this search instantly. So this search can filter your result and it will give complete updated result and related all the things about that site exactly. Okay, so this is one of the case that how we can search related things to the Google, like the related things to the required website. Okay, like this we can search by filtering the Google. Okay, and next, effective tab management. So as of now that we seen that how we can search. Okay, we can search, and one more thing, we can search with the results. So now I'm searching for the news. Okay, that latest news I'm searching for. Like I was just giving the prompt as news. Okay, so the news is coming. Okay, so here you can see that the news is coming, but now I'm searching for particular thing like war news. Okay, war news. So this is called search engine result page. Here the result will be comes. How the result will be customized based on your required date, required time. How you can do that? How, I mean, why you need to do that? Audio is too low. May somebody given as audio is too low. Is it for everyone? Okay. Thank you, Parth. Thank you so much. Thank you to yes and Lakshmi and Patnaik. Great, great, great. Thank you, Pooja. So here we'll start right now again. So just see that. Now I'm searching for hackathon. Hackathon. I'm just searching for the hackathons. Maybe the news will be comes like instantly. Maybe some other things will become instantly, but some other things like hackathons or else any technology or else any other related things maybe come the older things also. Here you can see that I've just searched for the hackathons. Here you are getting that hackathon at the site, unstoppable site. In this unstop, 2,540 hackathons are there. But if you want to apply, just check this one first. 10 June 2025. Now, what is the date? 24th June. Maybe in these 2,540 hackathons, events, mostly many events are already expired. We don't know, maybe all the events are also expired. So, is this your exact result? It is wasting your time, right? When you are searching for like hackathons or so on, so not hackathons, like we can come for the events. I'm just writing as the events. Okay, event. So classical event. So you want to attend for a classical event. Okay, classical dance event. I'm just searching for the classical dance event in the Hyderabad. Okay, so I want to attend these classes at events. So I'm just searching in the internet. I just want some people address. Yes, here you can see that you don't know when it was posted. Sri Classical Dance Institute events. You don't know when it was posted. Maybe this was posted in the last month. Maybe this was posted in the before last month. You don't know, right? Then how you can see that one? Like how you can get it exact result? Maybe you open this one. There is no classical event. There is a calendar light. Something is there. Strict calendar light maybe some things are there. You're not getting exact over here. Okay. Then here you can see that 3 May 2025. Maybe this event was already completed. This event was already completed. Then how you can? Okay. So in this time that you can simply use that option called tools here first. Tools. Just click on the tools. The tools will be open here. These are the tools that is here. Okay. And here you can able to see this anytime option. Okay. Just click on that option and make it change for past 24 hours, past week, this month, past month, whatever. Custom range also you can give it. So I'm choosing that past 24 hours. Now you are able to see that 2 hours ago, top dance classes in Isnapur, they posted. 10 hours ago, entertainment event in Hyderabad posted. 3 hours ago, top Telugu orchestras in Hyderabad, they posted. Okay, like this, 48 minutes ago, music news, Carnatic music, classical music, something they can the Hindu paper. Like this, you can get exact results based on the time. So these events, maybe this is the past 24 hours only, right? Maybe you can get the exact results, and it is not. I mean, these are useful for you also. Okay, if you're not seeing that, if you are in this anytime mode, maybe you will get the old one. You don't know, right? Here you can see that Natya Thoranam, 30th November 2024. Are you thinking about this one? Still it is available? No, right? So like this, we can customize our results and we can get exact output. Okay. So tools, you have to click on the tools and you have to click on this time period and as well as all results. You don't need to give in the all results. Always you can do like a verbatim and all results. And if you want any advanced research, just click on this advanced research. And here you can give that this exact word or phrase, which word that you have to be in this. So example, that must be in the Hyderabad, Madhapur or high-tech city. So high-tech city. That should be in the high-tech city. I'm just mentioning that word called high-tech city. So classical dance events in Hyderabad I was mentioned. And in that Hyderabad, I need only the words which are mentioned high-tech city. Any of these words. So any of these in this high-tech city, Madhapur, you have some particular areas. So you can just give the areas names or else colors, red, blue, black, etc. based on your requirement that you can post that words here. Like the post which is having the same keywords will be appear in the result over here. Okay, Because you are using the Google, you are spending time on the Google. Your time is much valuable than others, much valuable than money, much valuable than like all this world, right? So you have to use your time properly in the Google also. While we are passing into this Google and all, you can use this search. I mean, advanced research results also. It will give more impactable words. Okay, so I'm not going to give all those things. If you are having the free time, just you can try all those things by giving one by one. And I was just given the high-tech city, right? So let's see advanced search. You can see it right now. These things was changed. The Shilparama event not came priorly. Now it was came. Okay, but this is also you can see this 22nd, 23rd, 24th December 2023. It was already completed. So because here we didn't mention any anytime mode. Now I am mentioning that anytime into past 24 hours. Now you can see this. Mehendi courses in High-Tech City. Okay, 22nd June. This was Shilpa Kala Vedika Auditorium, Hyderabad High-Tech City. Okay, like this, you can customize your results also simply. Understood, ma? Hope everyone understood. Do you have any doubts on this? Click tools option below search bar. Very good part. You are giving the prompt for me, right? Very good. Anybody, do you have any doubts, Nana? These are just basics now. These are just basics. We have a lot of things to you. One more time, sir, please. Great. Okay, Jagdish, sure. I'll repeat you. Every single participant are also important for us. Definitely, I'll explain you again. So simply you can see this, Nana. First, while you are searching into the Google, okay, you can simply search classical dance event in Hyderabad, right? So you want classical dance events in Hyderabad, you can search like this. If you want to get exact results, the new event which is posted in past 24 hours only, or else past week, last week, or else last month, last year, or else custom range. If you want, if you are inquiring for some other last year events, okay, maybe that was posted in the February, maybe you know that thing only. So I'm just giving the starting February 1st to February 29th, like this I'm giving that 2024 February. If you want to use the old one also, you can. So I'm using that December 2022. So this, I mean, in these days between results, I want here. Okay. In these days below results, I want here. So November 2, I'm just giving that December and making the go. So here that result will come. The oldest results in the 2024, those results will be come here. Maybe your news was came in the Hindu paper. Maybe your results was came in some like your dance program was came in the YouTube program or else any channels. You can simply customize those dates and you can get results. And all time or this one and advanced in this advanced search the high tech city or Madhapur. Now I'm just mentioning Madhapur and searching one. So now you can able to see the things which is done in the Madhapur. Okay, which are in the Madhapur like that you will get it. So this is called advanced search in the Google and the clear filtering about Google, Nana. So how you can search in the Google effectively. Okay. So after searching these results, you are maintaining subtabs. Example, my company websites are Brainovision.org, Brainovision.organization and Brainovision.in. These both are our company websites. Brainovision.org and Brainovision.in. One is the LMS portal for us. One is the main site for us. And like some other websites also there, like which we are using regularly, like GitHub. Okay. So I'm using GitHub regularly. And maybe I'm using some other things like Netlify. Maybe the student like the technical people who are on that can understood easily these things. So just you can see this. What I'm saying is here I'm just mentioning that I'm just opening the tabs. Like these both are our websites, okay, and these both are our technical websites, okay. So every time do I need to type all those things again? Again, do I need to come and do I need to search here again? Okay, if I'm searching this one, I need to enter like three to four, like these four websites are these two websites separately, these two websites separately. I need it. How I can type and how I can work instantly. See, today I just opened these things, right? Now, Okay, so these both websites I need to open at a time, and these both websites also I need to open at a time, and separately I need to open. So simply what you can do is come to a new tab, and or else come to this tab and click on this one. Here you can see this option, bookmarks option, and save pages, all bookmarks options. So here also you can see that. So in the many browsers, not only the single browser, in many browsers you can get that things. Here you can get you can able to see that this one, Anna. So this four, you can able to see this. I'm just looping that. Okay, this symbol that you can click and click on the create new tab of group options, new tab group. Okay, here I'm just mentioning that for the for Brainovision website, I'm just mentioning the orange color, and I'm just giving the name as official websites. I'm just mentioning that official websites. Okay, you can able to see this here. The official website was came. Okay, here official website tab was came here. Okay, and one more in this official website tab that I'm going to be search brainovision.org and brainovision.in. These both websites I was searched in these official websites. Okay, now I'm just clicking on this. Okay, and if you want to add the same website, okay, this website also in the same official websites, just click here and click on this official websites. Just so if you click on this official website, the sites will be open automatically. And if you want to add any other site into that, okay, here you can add the site also. Okay, like this. Now these both websites are in the in this folder. So if you want to add any other also, simply just drag like this. Okay, simply you can drag like this, and you can search any other things. Like now I'm opening that big rock also. Okay, I think like these three are my official websites. So I'm just closing all these websites right now. Okay, so now I have a plain window. Okay, and here I have the tab called official website. I just want to open all three websites. Otherwise, I'm just taking the new tab now. Here you can see this. The empty was there. So I just want to add at a time open. I need to three websites. So just tap here. Simply these tabs will be opened. If this tabs is closed also, just tap here. Simply the three websites will be open automatically. So here I was mentioned this one, right? Now, if you don't want this one, just tap here. The tabs will be closed and the tabs will be stay here. You can see this. The tabs will be closed and the tabs will be stay here. So now I'm creating one more tab for other things. So here I'm just mentioning that click here, create a new tab group. So here I'm mentioning the here I'm creating the new tabs called, like I'm selecting the blue and tech websites. Tech websites. Maybe the developers, the students, the teachers, maybe having separate list of their groups. Okay, here I'm using that big rock also, and I just want to open GitHub. Okay, I just want to open other like technical websites called what we have the technical websites related to the subject, like GoDaddy, like sites. Okay, so maybe you will think these are your. So simply I'm just dragging this one. Okay, so now these three websites are the group of tech websites. If you click here, you click here, you can able to see that things difference. Okay, you don't need to keep these things. Simply official websites, tech websites. See this one, how beautiful it is. If you want to see in the official websites, you can see this. If you want to website in the tech websites, you can use this. Like this, you can customize your tab. Okay, so like this, you can customize your sites also within a single click that you can open, and you can use all the all the customized websites in the tabs. Okay, So this is called like efficient tab management, and simply you can like use the tabs also with these shortcuts. Control T is the way to open the first tab. Control W is to open the tab you are viewing. Control Shift T to bring back to your closed. Okay, maybe by mistake we will close the tabs, right? Like in the time that you can simply click on the Control Shift T. Okay, hold Control while clicking a link to open a in the new tab. So we'll explain you all those things with the practically. Open the new tab. So here I'm here. So maybe I'm in the website. Control T. I need to press Control T. This will be open a new tab automatically in this. Okay, Control W, new window. Okay, close W to close the tab you are viewing. So now I'm viewing this one, right? Control W. I'm closing that. So now I'm viewing this one, right? Control W. It was closed. You can able to see that the our tabs are getting closed. If I click on the Control T, just a moment, guys. Please wait. So I'm just searching for this one, Anna. Yeah, good, great. So I'll search. I'll open try it again. So this one is right. So I'm just opened this one for you now to show you this to showcase this one. So here we are going to be search Control, okay, and T. Sorry, Control T, Control key and T. The new tab will be open. Control and W. The tab will be closed. The entire tab will be closed. Example, Control W. The tab is getting closed, right? So Control again and T. The new tab is getting right here. You can able to see on the screen also. Okay. Control T in the sense new tab. Control W in the sense close the tabs. Like this. Simply you can close the tabs. And also, if now we just close the GitHub tab by mistakenly. Now Control Shift and tab. Control Shift and tab. Control Shift and T. Like this, you will get back all the sites which you closed by mistakenly. Okay. If you want to close it again, Control W, Control W, Control W. Okay. So hope you understood, right? Guys, any doubts on this, Nana? Just a moment. Somebody given some messages in the chat box. Feedback link, please. Yes, feedback link will be open 7:50 p.m. Nana. No, this will not be open now. Sir, we can search any matter in this website. Yes, you can search any matter, but prior in your video description, feedback link and attendance link there, so we can fill that. Yes, sir. Tell college host name in advance. I couldn't understand Manali Garu. Manali ji, what you were saying that? Tell college host name in advance. Especially there was no reminder message. Bhumika ji, like we given the reminder message in the group channels and many places like a Telegram everywhere. Please check it properly. Feedback because not no college host name. Your college host, don't no worries if you don't know your college name, just check. Just you can give your feedback with the Brainovision name. Guys, do one thing first. Listen the class, no, na? Everyone, please listen the class. End of the session, I'll give the 15 minutes of time for you to do all of these things. Okay, these sessions are to your learnings, right? Just understood? We can. No problem. If they missed that, if they missed to, I mean, know their host college name, they can give the feedback with the name of the Brainovision. We already mentioned the Brainovision there. Just take that and like you can opt Brainovision in the feedback form. Okay, and you can mention the college name. That's enough. Great. So let's start resume the session. Hope my screen is visible to everyone. Okay, like this, we can use shortcuts in the tabs. Simply, you can use the tablets like shortcuts. Control T for the fresh tab. Control W to the closing the tab. Control Shift to T is to get back. I mean, bring back your closed tabs. And holding the control and clicking the link. So, example, uh, you want to click. You want to click any other links. Example, you click this one. What it will be do? Okay, this will be redirecting in the same page only. I don't want to redirect this in the same page. I want to stay this page is here and I want to open this button link into the next page. So when I'm trying to click here, click on this page. Okay, so here I'll use that. Okay, here I'm use that control plus this click. Here you can able to see this. This guys, are you able to see my virtual screen, virtual keyboard here? Yes, we're able to see that. Okay, so control plus when I'm tapping on the control and also clicking on some other links, those will be opens in the new tabs, not in the same page. Those will be opens in the new tabs. Understood? So not only in the website, no, no, wherever that you like it is, whenever you are trying to click on any link, if you want to open in the new tab, just button and then you can click on the required tab. Okay. Okay. So let's come back. Management in action. So as I told you that the tab management benefits of effective tab management. So compare information from different sources. So if you want to compare information from the different sources, that may be the easy task to you at the time. Keep reference materials open while working. So maybe that you are working with that material, some other paid PDFs, PPTs, something that you are looking into this. So you can keep that so in that like while you're saving that you can keep like that only. Okay, you don't need to close again and again. So maintain workflow without losing context. Okay, so you can maintain your workflow without losing your context. And while you're working with while you're working, so maybe we have single person have to open multiple windows for the particular work. So at the time, so while you are open many websites, but you don't want to close it again, you don't want to open it again, but your tab was full in the top side like this. So maybe your tab was getting completed. So like this, maybe you opened multiple websites like one GitHub, one other things like this. So maybe your window will not shows good, and the performance will be bad for the browser. Maybe sometimes your systems can struck. So at that time that you can simply use that tab management into the action and simply you can hold all those tabs into the single tab and then you can use that properly based on like if you have the particular things like technical website other official website like that the particular things simply you can use like this. You can see here. So if I open all those things, these tabs can become almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tabs here. Okay, 7 tabs may be coming here. So, but once I'm clicking on the simple like the particular tab, I am getting the 2 tabs only, 2 to 3 tabs only here. Okay, so like this, I can manage tabs effectively into this. So reduce clutter in your browsing experience. Obviously, right? You will not be confused. You will not be get like irritation on this. So you simply happily you can work on that simply. And the common tab management mistakes. Common tab management mistakes that all the people can do is opening too many tabs slow down your computer? Obviously, right? So while you are working, maybe we can do like this. The way we will give, we will open multiple websites, multiple tabs in the session. Maybe that can slows down your computer also. Okay, and losing track of important information. Maybe in these multiple websites, the one particular website is having that particular information. Okay, all of these are not good. Maybe this is the known website. Maybe they can you can use this logo to recognize. But if it is not your exact like website, you don't know that exact site. This is all of the new sites. What you can do? Maybe you can miss that information by mistakenly while I'm closing these tabs. By mistakenly, will close that window. What you can do simply? Then again, you need to go back into the history. You need to come back. No, no need to do that. Either at this moment, you can simply click on the Control Shift to T. Okay, see the previously what I've opened that would YouTube that is coming down again like this. I can customize. I can't lose this one. So not using tab group for organizers. So those things. If you use the tab grouping, maybe you can get the search results good. You can get the you can't lose your important information, and you won't get any stress on the website, and your computer also not slows down. Forgetting about open tabs that consume memory. Yes, that's what it will consumes memory, right? So if you open this one, it's consuming all its the animations and everything. That's consuming your system energy as well as your memory also. Okay. So next, private browsing. We're coming to the part of private browsing. Okay. Now I'm closing all those things. And if you have this type of multiple domain like things in the top side, you can add an extension called web store, web store. So tab funnel. I think that is only you'll see search funnel. So these things also you can use, and you can simply add this to your add to Chrome, and simply once you click on that current tabs, like tabs, all the tabs will be coming to a single funnel. Like here I'm already having this one, the funnel symbol, one tab. Okay, so many other tabs are there. No? One tab is also the one main model, one tab extension. You can simply add to your Chrome. Okay, add extensions. So this will be added to your browser here. So while you are using all of this, like example, I was having multiple websites in the tab. Okay. So I just want to, I don't want to close all those things, but these things should be come in a single folder first. And later I'll check whatever the thing you are useful, whatever the tabs are not useful. So what I can do in this time, simply, this is the extension box where I'm locating that. Okay. Simply come to this extension tab and click on this one tab option and click here the allow in the first time. Simply that one tab will be opens. Okay, one tab will become here, and in this one tab, the three sites which we already using from past a few minutes will be come here. So if you want to open it again, just click here that those particular websites will be restored again. Okay, like this we can use the Chrome extensions and one tab also for segregating the latter segregation of our websites. So now private browsing, when, or, and why. So yes, we know how we can use the private browsing. Many people are using the private browsing regularly, right? So for what purpose you are using the private browsing? Yes, definitely. Pulapa Padmini Garu. Yes, we will share you that. Why Pujita is getting my voice double, guys? Is this for everyone? Somebody getting blank screen. Is it ma? Great, great, great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for this. Processor. Yes. So here we will use the like private browsing for the data privacy, or else like search privacy, and also you have to know that shopping for surprises. Okay, this is very simple, Nana. Like not simple. This is the our personal. So you maybe you want to give surprise for your brother, sister, or relatives, friends, or else close relations, and your father, mother, your grandmother, like your relations. Simply your relations. You want to give them. You're shopping into that. Maybe your phone can use by all of them. Okay, maybe your browser, same browser using your children's, your parents, your relatives, siblings, etc. So maybe they can know what you are searching. Example. So now I'm coming into this. I can open and I'm trying to search here. So already many of our friends, our teammates, are using the Razorpay, classical dance, even related Amazon. Like just now we searched about this, right? This all are the things are showing in the history. Okay, and if I show, if I see in that history option, okay, if I go through that history, maybe in this the all the things which we seen in the previous days and everything we can see here. Maybe we don't have much time to close to all those things. Okay, at the moment what we can do, simply while you are planning any surprises for your relations, just use incognito mode. So here we will have new incognito window option. So this in this incognito window will not catch any caches and will not shows any, this incognito will not shows any catches, and this incognito will not recognize any catches. So simply you can able to search anything, and that history will not be saved. The history will not be saved. So whatever the like shopping, whatever like you can shop here, and also travel booking. While you are booking travel, avoid price increase when repeatedly searching for the flights or hotels. Guys, do you know one thing? Whenever we are searching for the flight bookings, okay? If you open this website right now, if you purchased it, like here they are showing that 25% off. Okay, this is for only for one person. For one person it is showing that 25% off. For one booking 25% only. Maybe you will get these type of cases sometime. So at the moment you just booked it. Okay, right now you just booked it, and later if you open the same website, okay, if you are using repeatedly same website, you will get uh, just a moment, guys. Somebody, guys, please don't focus on the feedback, Nana, first. Okay. First, listen. First, listen the session, Nana. We didn't turn it on actually. The second day feedback we didn't turn on. Okay. So that's why it is showing not editable option. So we will turn on it by 7:55. Okay, see at the 7:55 it will be open. At the time you can simply like you will get the option called edit your response. Okay, just tap on that in the next day. I mean after the 7:55, and we can give additional feedback for today in the same form. Okay, please focus on here, Nana. So he like this, like whenever you're searching for the flights or so on, so whenever you're searching for repeatedly, maybe the prices can be high for the same IP address. Every internet is having some IP. Every internet is having some like same like these things. Okay, DNS and addresses. So while you're booking any travels, you can use incognito window for price droppings and all-time offers. Just try it. Okay, and public computers. Why? Maybe you didn't you don't have any laptop, or else you went for other city and you needed some urgent work. Okay, or else maybe you don't have your laptop is shut down, you want to use your friend's laptop or friend's mobile. So at the time, don't keep your accounts, your Facebook or Instagram or your mail IDs, your bank accounts. Don't log in. If you're logging in that other people's accounts, other people's computers, just use that private browser called incognito window. Okay, and unbiased search. Get search results without personalized based on your history. So unbiased results. What is the unbiased results? Unbiased in the unbiased and biased. Biased results in the sense, biased search results in the sense. So maybe you are searching for many times like shoes. You are searching for the shoes. You are searching for the dresses. You are searching for some other people like famous people like Prabhas or so on so and these are just like so also like that persons you can search in the Google like famous persons. So at that time maybe you can get the same result for the same people that can show us again. So that is called biased research based on your search results like Prabhas, Teza or so on. So when you're searching in the Google, maybe those results can show us again into your search results. So that is called biased research. Maybe the algorithm of internet. So if you don't want to like that, if you want the fresh results, if you want to get fresh information, you can use this incognito windows that can give you an unbiased search that can't mention the same names called Teja, Prabhas or so on so. Okay. So like that we can search. Okay, for these purposes, we can use the incognito window. So we know that for that incognito window, we can use in the Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, and other mobiles also, and other browsers also. And access incognito mode is like in this web browser, you can use Control Shift N, and in the like MacBooks, you can use Windows Shift N, sorry, Command Shift N, Control Shift N, and Control Command Shift N. Okay, for the Mac users, it is the Control Shift Command Shift N. For the Windows users, that is the Control Shift N. Recognize private mode. Notice the dark themes are special icons. Like these are the basics, no? So dark themes, the icon of the incognito mode, the mention the names. These are the recognitions. And browse privately. Why we are browsing privately? This will not save your history. This will not save your cookies. This can't be site data won't be saved after closing. Your site data will not lost. Your site data will not be saved after closing also. Maybe now I am trying to open a bank account. I'm just I just want to transfer my money. So don't use to transfer. Don't use internet banking into your normal browsers. Don't use your internet banking into the normal browsers. Nowadays, the frauds are very clever and very technical. Okay, if once your browser was compromised to them, they won't attack immediately. Remember that the hackers won't attack immediately. Hackers will wait for the time. Hackers will give take the observation of your websites, your browsers. Whenever you are using internet banking into this particular browser, maybe you don't know the hackers are already tracking with your IP address. You don't know those things, right? So while you are using your internet banking, maybe they can observe that and maybe they can crash your money. Maybe they can take your money. So don't give the chance to them. Okay? Means it doesn't shows that websites at which you usually visit instead shows the result and as any normal new users, I think. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Akash. Same thing. When we are using that same website, same names, those will not show it again. I mean, those will not shows frequently. The fresh results will be shows you. Okay. So like this, we can use the incognito modes. So for the bank accounts and all, we can use the incognito window. Okay. And what incognito mode doesn't do. Incognito doesn't make you anonymous to website or your ISPs. Okay, and also your employer or school can or college can still track your browsing activity. No one can track your browsing activity. Okay, and websites can still identify you if you do you sign into accounts. Same things that we like spoken in the list. I mean previous one. Download and bookmarks are still saved to your device. Now coming to the bookmarks. So the session will be more 5 minutes more, Nana. Please listen carefully. Uh, Bookmarking your digital filling systems. Save time finding frequently visited sites. Create shortcuts to specific pages within websites. Build a personalized library of useful resources. Access important information even without internet. So maybe sometime like this information I want actually. Okay, this information I want actually. Maybe like I'm opening this website. So something skyscanner.com. Maybe I got some information over here, or else I'm searching for um, like Swami Vivekananda. Okay, Swami Vivekananda I'm searching for. So maybe I got some information in the Wikipedia. Okay, this information I want. Okay, so maybe now my internet was not there after some time because I'm into the flight. I just want to read this complete article. I don't want to copy this and I don't want to keep in a document again. Simply I can bookmark it. Okay, we all know the how we can add the bookmark, right? Simply you can add the bookmark, and in this bookmark also you can make the folders, the technical bookmarks, theoretical bookmarks, class bookmarks, reading bookmarks, like that, whatever that you can do. Other bookmarks, choose another folder. If you don't have any folder, name Swami Vivekananda, like you are this one. Here you can create that folder, new folder option. You can use that, and here I'm using that history. Okay, and save. So this bookmark was saved in the history. Later, whenever I am free, like at the time that I can simply open this bookmark. See, when I don't want to turn off my internet because you won't see it again if I turn off that. So simply I'm showing that bookmark list, show bookmarks bar. Show bookmarks bar, bookmark manager you can see here, and bookmark this tab, bookmark all tabs. If you want to mark all tabs in the bookmark, you can show bookmarks bar. You can also use that bookmarks bar. Here you can able to see that the bookmarks bar, all bookmarks, and here you can see that history, and you can simply click on this Swami Vivekananda. If some technical things, so here the one tab thing is there. So I want to read this again. So now I'm simply clicking on this bookmark, and I don't want to add into the history folder. Okay, I just want to choose another folder, and new folder is called technical. Technical. Okay, bookmarks, history. In this technical is there. So I don't want to this one. So what I can do now? Simply I can come here. I can come to the bookmarks and list, and I can click on the bookmark manager. So you can able to see this. Control Shift to O also can open this bookmarks. So these things should not be there. And here we need to, so this one technical one, cut. So don't want this one bookmarks, like how you can organize your folders in that way that you can simply organize this one. So if you want to new folder also, that you can add again. Okay, add new folder. So here I'm adding the folder called text and saving this one. So I just want to delete this one. Mm, delete. So history and text. Here you can paste that new one. So simply you can copy paste also. This was the history, this was the text. Now, like this, or else if you don't want this Swami Vivekananda history here, just click here and Control C, or else click here and copy. Also come here and paste, Control V. Like this, simply you can organize all your bookmarks. Whenever you are in the fresh window, come to the all windows and history, text. Whatever that you want, you can simply open that one and you can see this. Okay, like this, you can organize your bookmarks properly. So based on the bookmarks, simply you can, like, without internet time also, whenever that you don't have internet also, at the time you can simply visit that information test. You can't redirect in that, but you can simply visit that. Okay. So how to bookmark pages? These things we already seen that, but shortcut key, the control D is called bookmark. Simply, you can choose the control D. You can press the control D option to bookmark and you can choose the folder. Okay. Managing bookmarks, bookmark manager, right clicking on the selected folder, add folder. These are the things we already know that. And the final one is called reader mode. Reader mode, pre-reading mode. Maybe we just want to particular website I just opened in a website. Okay. So how to enable reading mode? This is the steps now. You can simply use this. First, you need to Chrome : / flags. Okay. This thing that you have to search Chrome : / flags. See, now I'm opening some website over here. In this technical website, the Brainovision website I was opened here. Okay. So you don't want to read all those things. You just want to listen. What I can do? You don't need to install additional website. You don't want to install additional extension also. Simply first come this window and search for Chrome : flags. This one, Chrome : / flags. First search for this. Okay, here you can search for reading mode. Okay, here you can search for reading. Chrome : / flags, come for reading. Here you can able to see the reading mode, read aloud. Reading mode, read aloud. Maybe this was already in the enable section. If you don't have enable option, so maybe it is in the default. Normally, you can just enable this one. Okay, and here you can able to see that the relaunch option. After enabling this one, just click on the relaunch option. The browser will close and the browser will be open automatically again. Okay, you don't need to do that. The browser will close and it will be open automatically by relaunching that one. Okay, simply come to the Chrome : / flags and there you can search for the reading mode and reading mode, read aloud option. These things you have and click on this enable. Reading mode Google Docs integration also you can enable. Reading mode Google Docs load more button also you can enable. Reading mode, like based on the thing that will be enable automatic when you can enable automatically. So now I was enabled, right? So I don't want to read this thing. Simply I can select this one and give the right click and click on this open reading mode option. You can able to see this open reading mode option. Okay, I'm just selecting that and open reading mode option. Here you can able to see that some passage was came in the beside of this. Okay, and just click here. Now you are able to see.
Overview. Established in 2014, Brainovision Solutions stands as a leading force in web solutions, software development, and tech education within the corporate sector. Our commitment to bridging.
So if you want to change your voice, so here you can see this multiple voices.
Bridging the gap between academia and industry is evident through a diverse range of services. Our commitment to bridging the gap between academia and industry is evident through a diverse range of
Our commitment to bridging the gap between academia
and industry is evident through a diverse range of services designed to empower students, faculty members, and organizations.
Like this, you can give any voice. You can increase the speed of the voice also, and you can highlight that at the points if you want anything. If you want to highlight those things also, you can highlight here. Okay, and if you want to link, if you don't want to link, everything that you can do here. If you want to increase the text size, if you want to reduce the text size, you want to change that. The two things only that serif and sans serif. So those things also you can do. And if you want any color themes like dark and these things, if you want to read, so you don't want to maybe where it will be useful in the sense I'm searching for the news applications. Okay, I'm searching for the news applications. I was visiting this one, today's news update from the Hindu paper. Okay, yeah, this was cool, but many news are there. I just have many news is also there. Okay, so the some ads are coming, advertisements are coming. So these all the things are there. Here it is one more ad. So I don't want to use all of these things. Otherwise, if I'm just searching for the Iran Iraq thing, okay, here I'm getting advertisement, here I'm getting advertisements. Okay, I don't want to see all of these advertisements here, and you can see this. So like this, so the ad was coming. So I can't hear to, I can't see this one all the time. I have to do this. So you don't need to do these things. Simply select this one properly, how much you want to read, and give the right click and click in the open in the reading mode. Here simply the reading mode will becomes, you don't need to do this. So if you want to increase the reading panel, you can increase this reading panel also. Simply you can read all of these things. Simply like a document. Okay, simply like a document, you can read all those things. And if you want to enlarge this one, wider range, whatever that, and as we told that, like if you want to change any screen for this. Okay, also if you have any, like if you want to change the text also, font, and if you want to listen this one,
Israel-Iran conflict live. 2 explosions heard in Tehran after
you want to
US.
listen fast,
President Trump said ceasefire was in effect. Palestinian Authority
you
urges
want to
Gaza
listen in
ceasefire.
male voice.
Part of Iran war truce. Indian embassy closes Operation Sindhu help desk in Mashhad after ceasefire.
Like this we can read simply. Okay, so these things can be done in the our Google chat. Okay. So 2 more minutes, guys. It's already done. And yes, the feedback link is not working. Now the feedback link is working, ma. But just wait for ending the session. LMS feedback link. Okay, Nana. So we'll conclude the session and we'll complete it. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. So, okay, guys, so we'll conclude the session for as of today that our session was closed. So tomorrow we are going to be not tomorrow. We have some more things in the Google, like Google Documents, Google Forms, and these things are the basics only. But the people who don't know that, Google Stick Notes and etc. So without using any notes, we can use the Google for Google Stick Notes also. So these all of the things we can discuss in the next session. So because you already getting tired, right? For 1 hour only. Yes. Right now that we can, yeah, workspace also we can discuss about it, Anruta Patil. So coming to the feedback, I mean, link was already opened. It's the same yesterday's link only. In the same link that we have to enter the additional columns that what we have, and somebody already keeping some screenshots into our group and personal messages. So don't do that, Anna. First check it. There you got already edit your response option. There you are already having that edit your response option. Okay, just tap on that and use that. Okay, and coming to the LMS portal, just a moment. I'm just showing that LMS portal how you can access that. Yep, just a moment. Just a moment, guys. I'm logging into the Instagram to show the video. Thank you, Atmesh Kumar Garu. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravikaran Garu. Yeah. Today, tomorrow morning, you will get all the results, ma. Okay. So that the topics which we have already. So we are just finalizing that. We will send you soon. Okay. Definitely, I'll share you. Definitely will share you, ma. Okay, we'll do one thing, ma. For the LMS portal access, again, we are going to keep in the group right now. Please check it. The link we are keeping in the group. Otherwise, I'm giving in the chat box also. First check here, Nana, if you are not able to get this one. So I was mentioned here, just please check it. Hemant, it will shows you already responded like that only. Just refresh it and click on the edit your response option. Edit your response option. In that same, the day 2 was added as additional columns. Okay. Thank you so much, Sarvana Bhava. Definitely, Srivastava. Will share you. Thank you, Sharma, Vishal Sharma. It's my pleasure, Ednesh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sanjay and Nitish, Shoni, Sadiq, Tarun, Hemant Garu, Bharati Garu, Dipanwit Bunch, Sadish. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. So, Kima, so we are closing the session. It's already 8:10, right? Thank you so much for your interest and keen interest on your career. And thanks for joining the session. Maybe tomorrow and after tomorrow, some more like our representatives will be take the session. Tomorrow, two more industrial experts will take the session. Develop any. Okay, ma. Thank you so much. We are leaving the session. We're closing the session for everyone. No, only evening sessions only there, Venkatesh. Parth will teach in the last day. AI development we will teach in the day 5. Okay. Okay, Parth. Yes, definitely. We are preparing the document also. No, we'll share you. Definitely, we'll share you. In these 2 days, we can share you. Otherwise, we'll share you for complete things at a time. Okay. Designation, if you are the student, you can mention Anna in the designation. Chauhan, camera. Okay, I'll open the last day. As I already opened in the day 1 in the inauguration, I'll open the last day. Okay. Definitely, I'll open. In group, you share. Definitely, Tarun. I'll share that. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sharvana.